My favorite for dipping vegetables, pizza crust, and serving on salad is ranch dressing. Believe it or not, you don't need a powdered mix to make it at home. Instead, you need half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon parsley, 1 teaspoon granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon granulated onion, and a pinch of cayenne. You're gonna mix all of these into a jar or bowl until smooth, and then serve immediately or refrigerate. It's good for about a week. You will never go back to the bottle once you try ranch made this way. If you'd like to make it dairy-free, go ahead and use coconut or almond milk instead of the buttermilk.